There is nothing I love more than a good night's sleep. That's why I have become obsessed with Silent Seal's mouth tape. All you have to do is tape this over your mouth and your quality of sleep will drastically improve. But not only do you get the best sleep of your life, there are so many benefits that come along with mouth taping. By taping your mouth at night, you actually reduce snoring because you're no longer breathing in through your mouth, you're breathing through your nose. Your nose is designed to filter out allergens and dust, so when you breathe through your mouth, you don't let your body do that, and it could be one of the reasons you're waking up a little stuffy or even groggy. It also drastically improves oral health. Say goodbye to that nasty morning breath. And my favorite side effect is that it actually tones your face muscles. If you're not using mouth tape yet, what are you waiting for?